So these three topics we're going to discuss: multiplication with series of nines. So there is a fourth possibility of multiplication with series of nine. Actually five, but the fifth one is the very easy one. Let's discuss what are the possibilities. You have any other number like 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are going to multiply with series of 9. Series of 9 means what? It can be 1 9, it can be 2 9, it can be 3 9, it can be 4 9. But this is only a first part. Okay, that is the one part. The second kind of is that both number are series of 9. You can see that. The third possibility is what? That the number in a decimal format. Both number can be in the decimal format, like 1, 2.34, 9. Then what you are going to do? It can be maybe इधर भी एक 9 हो सकता है. Third possibility. The fourth possibility is what? That number must be end with 9 sometimes, like 39 into 59. And the fifth possibility is that number, here you can see that there is a 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 2-digit number, 2-digit number. It can be such kind of number as well, right? These are the fifth possibility, and all these are related to multiplication. I will teach two problems and you will going to get all those concepts very easily. Okay, but understanding all these concepts is very important. So just write down all these things. These are the types of problem. Okay, write it down, everyone. These are the types of problem. So now, as you can see that in the first problem and the first type, there you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 is the number. That is the 4-digit number, and we are multiplying with the 4 nines. It doesn't matter if you are multiplying with 3 nines, 2 nines, 1 9, or whatever the nine. For the sake of convenience, I will do with the 2-digit multiplication, and the concept will go on similarly. Okay, so try to understand with the little smaller example, and then we will move for the bigger example. So suppose that I'm going to ask you that multiply 999 with 999. Okay, then what is the possibility? Suppose that 99 into 99. Okay, so what you are going to do that? There is a two kind of possibility that you will going to use Urdhva-Tiryak method, vertical and crosswise, vertical, cross vertical, but still it will take time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 10-point circle concept. In the 10-point circle concept, I told you what I told you in 10-point circle concept. Hello Purushottam, why you are so late? Half an hour in late.
Sorry, sir, I forgot.
But you don't left too much. I just started. Okay. So these are the 5 problems I just written down, and then I started explaining. So don't worry. I just started the class. So suppose that we are going to multiply 99 into 99. So what we are going to do is I'm going to go with the concept of 10-point circle. What I told you in 10-point circle, multiplying with 10 or multiple of 10 is very easy. Yes or no? Yes, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this number into a multiple of 10. So if I'm going to make it 100, it will become 100, right? So whatever I'm telling you is this, I'm just explaining you. Later I will tell you the shortcut as well. But first understand why we are getting all these things. The shortcut, how we are reaching the shortcut, that I'm telling you. So 99 plus 1 is 100. Now multiplying with 99 and 100 is what? 99 into 100?
Yes, 99.
99. But you multiplied one time extra because you added plus 1. So this number multiplied one time extra. So that you have to subtract. Okay. So now subtract it. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. This is 8. This is 9. So this is the number which I am going to write down here. And this is the answer. Got it? This is the solution. Now look at this problem now. This is a 3-digit number. Again, I have a 2 possibility. I can add plus 1 here or I can add plus 1 here. Whatever you suits, you can do. But I will always going to add in the bottom because I just wanted to make a good habit. Okay. So I'm going to add here. So it will become 1000 now. And 1000 into 99 is what? 999 and 30. Simple. Now subtract the same number because you added plus 1. So this value will increase. So we are subtracting here and we got the, what is the answer? 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. This will be 899. And that number I'm going to write down here. 998001. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, I know that some of you are asking, sir, why we are subtracting this value? Somebody will ask sometime. So for that, I'm going to give you one explanation here. Look at this. If you have to multiply 4 into 4, what is the answer?
16.
16, sir.
And if I'm telling you 4 into 9, what is the answer?
36.
But suppose that you don't know 9 table. Okay. So what you will going to do, you will going to go with your convenience. So you are going to add plus 1 here. So now this is what? 10. So now 9 into 4 into 10 is what? But that is not a real answer, right?
No.
Actual answer was what? 36. What is the difference between them?
40 minus
36. That is 4.
4 digit.
This is the difference. And what is this? Actually the same value. So that is the reason when we are going to multiply any value, we are going to subtract the top of the value. Because we added plus 1, so we are subtracting this one. Got it?
Yes.
We are subtracting this same value. Now, if you are going to reverse the value, then you will have to reverse the negative value as well. Suppose that 4 number is 9 and multiplying with 4. So here what you can do, you can adding plus 1 here. So this will become 10. And 10 into 4 is what? 40. And here also 36. Same. Difference is what? Again 4. And what is the 4? What you are going to do with them? You will going to subtract 4. That is the below value. Look at this. It means if you are adding plus 1 on top, you will going to subtract the below value. Here you are adding on bottom, you will going to subtract top. Means wherever you are adding, you will going to subtract the opposite value. Got my point?
Yes.
So in that way, you can do the second example very easily. What is the second example? Actually, I took the first example in the first solution. Second is this one, where one number is anything and the second number is series of 9. Let's check, and it will be the same, nothing different. Suppose number is 1, 2, 3, and we are multiplying with 999. We know that 999 is what? Actually 1000, right? So whenever you see the 999, simply write down 1, 2, 3 and 000. Simple. If there is a 39, put down 30 and subtract the same number 123. Now you are reaching it. Are you getting it? Why I'm telling you like that? Because there is a 39, so obviously we will going to add plus 1. It will become 1000. 1000 into 123 is what? Same value. Now subtract the same 1, 2, 3. But I'm telling you in a different way. What I'm telling you, if there is a number of 9s, count the 9s, put down 0, so 000 and subtract it. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, this is 9 minus 1, 8, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1. The answer is 122,800. Got it?
Yes, sir. So for the first example which you gave, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So is the answer is 1, 2, 3, 2, 7, 6, 6.
Most probably, yes. Now look at this. This time I took only 3 9 and the number was 4 digit. Still fine. Why it's fine? Only you have to put 000 because if you are going to add plus 1, this will become 1000 and 1000 contains 30. So number I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4 000 and we are subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to be careful, not write down 1 here, otherwise you will exceed the value. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 1 is 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. Now look at this, how big this number is. Still we are getting very easily. Even you can do it mentally. If you do the practice, you can do it mentally. So this is the series of multiplication. Now go to the type. Now you will see that we have discussed this one, multiplication with series of 9 and one number is any number. Then both number are series of 9 and here one number is what? 4 digit and one number is 2 digit. Nothing different. All these are same. What about the third type? When we have a decimal number, suppose that we have a decimal here, then what we are going to do? What is the answer? Process is again same, nothing different. We will going to eliminate the decimal first and we will do the same thing first. And after that, we will calculate the decimal value. After decimal, how many value? 1 and there is a 1, 2. So I'm putting decimal here. So the answer is 122,800.77. That's it. Tell me the next answer, everyone. Solve the question and give me the answer. Next question. 124.3 multiply with 99. Give me the answer. Solve it, everyone.
Sir, 12420.01.
12420.01.
420.01.
12422.
नहीं 420 भी आएगा सर 420.01 आएगा.
Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer?
Sir, can you explain how did you
124175.7.
1241.
4175.7. 75.7.
ठीक है, लिख दिया. 124175.
ट्रिपल लाइन को माइनस कर दिया सर 1243 को माइनस करना.
Yes, Shobha ma'am, what you said?
Sir, I'm asking how did you remove the points, like it was 12.34 and the other one was 99.99.
Sir,
So
0.7 आएगा ना?
So I think you did that in previous classes. How to
No,
remove the
no,
points? How did you
actually
remove
we
the
all
point?
did it.
I'm asking you that.
Actually, we did it all in our 3-4 classes. That I didn't
Okay.
discuss in Vedic. That is the same concept we are discussing in 3-4 class when we are discussing about decimal. We are doing the same thing. Okay. So
Mhm.
I will going to tell you how it is different.
Okay. Okay.
Simple process is if the decimal is here and suppose that you are multiplying with 1.2. Okay. So suppose that. So the simple process is what? You are going to write down the decimal in front of decimal. So 1.23 and 1.2 like this. Means decimal will always in front of each other. Now you will do the decimal. You will see that there is no number here. So you can write down 0. It will look nice. That's it. Now remove and do the calculation as it is, like you do. But after, suppose that you got the number this one, you got this number. This is the answer. But you
Okay.
know that there is already a decimal, right? You know that. So there is a decimal. So what we are going to do this time? I will going to count the number after decimal. So how many number are there after decimal? 1 and
1,
2.
2,
And here what? 1 and
2.
2.
और के
Even
पहले
you can skip this. You can skip it. Why? Because 0 जो है ना हमने अपने मन से दिया था. और वैसे भी after decimal you don't need any zero. So you can
Okay.
skip that.
हाँ
So
जी.
only 3 digit, only 3 number were there. So count the number 1, 2, 3.
3.
यहाँ पे आप 0 दे दो. मैंने क्या किया? तीनों 0 को यहाँ से right side से क्या किया? Count किया. And we put down the decimal and this is the answer. So 123.456. So this is actually the basic mathematics.
Yeah,
That
this
is
is the
something we are.
basic. Yeah.
Hmm.
We all have been taught, but
Hmm.
like it was for the shortcut method we did here with 99.9. So
We are
I'm
going to
asking
do
you
the
one.
same thing. We
Okay.
are going to do the same thing here as well. Look at this.
Okay.
The first thing is I'm going to convert it into a without decimal number. 1, 2, 4. That's it. And the
Okay.
number was 999. Simple.
Yes.
So how we are going to do this? I can do it mentally. Can I show you how we can do it?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Look. How many nines are there? How many
Sir,
nines
three
are there?
nines. 3 nines are there.
3 nines are there. It
Yeah.
means there is 30
Yeah, 3 zeros.
after 1, 2, 4, 3.
1, 2, 4, 3. Yes, 3 zeros
3
are
0.
there. Yes.
And you will going to write down the same number 1, 2, 4, 3 below.
Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 3. Yes.
It means you are going to subtract the same number from the 0.
Yes.
So first 0 will be the 10 and 10 minus 3.
7.
Look at this 3.
7.
Write down 7. Now 9 minus 4,
5.
5. 9 minus 2,
7.
7. Now you reach 1 in front of this 3. So the actual value was 2 and 2 minus 1 is what? 1.
1.
And rest of the value will be same. With the little visualization, you can get the answer without doing anything. Anyone got it? What I am telling?
Yes sir. 0.57 आ जाए. 5 से पहले
हाँ.
decimal.
तो अब हमारा तो ये वैल्यू आ गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे? After decimal, we are going to count the value. One value, two
1,
value.
2, 2
Put down
values
decimal
are
after. So 12417.57 is the correct.
Okay,
sir,
sir, you
1241.
wrote the question differently,
I
like
said,
for
sir,
decimals.
but
Okay. I
Decimal
got
आपका
it.
गड़बड़ हो.
Actually, in the example which you gave, it was 12.34. So it was 99.99. It's okay, sir. I understood it now. Fine.
Got it? Okay, चलो. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को कंफ्यूजन था, I will take one more example and give me the correct. 2347 multiply with 999, but you have a decimal this time here and here. Do it, everyone.
2346.7653.
Oh, very good. What is the answer?
तो यही आ रहा है 2346.7653.
653.
Oh, कितना बड़ा आंसर है. 8 digit answer.
23467653.
Good. So now, what I'm going to do is, I don't need to do any calculation in any rough sheet because I already discussed 7-8 problems. So now I'm going to show you how you can do it. So there is a 4 9, so obviously it will be 40 here. For your convenience, I'm writing here. And the same number we are going to subtract. So what? 10 minus 7, that is 3. 10, 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 2, that is 7. Now this value will be given 1 carry to the earlier one. So this value will decrease. So this will become 6, 4, 3, 2. So this is the actual number. But what we have to do now? count the decimal after value. So 4 number was there. So from right side, put down decimal after 4 digits. So this is the correct. समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Now, the last topic is very interesting and most of you find it very difficult as. So that I'm going to discuss and that is the fourth problem, 39 into 59. अब इस तरह के बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम होते हैं. Now you can do it very easily. I will show you some of the problems and then you will realize this. This kind of problem we are going to discuss. So suppose that there is a number 39 into 59. Okay. Now I have a two option here. First option is what? That we can
Adding
use the
plus
traditional method. Yes, plus one is also correct option. The first one is, but the previous option was vertical cross vertical. Means what? 9 9 are 91. That is 81. So one is there. 8 is carry over. 9 3 are 27. 9 5 are 45. 45 plus 27 is 72. 72 plus 8, that is 80. So like that you can calculate the value. But it will take time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same concept which we are doing earlier. What we are doing? We are making the number multiple of
10.
10. So we are going to add plus 1 here and plus. Now, if we are going to add plus 1, it will become 40 and this will become 60. Now we can do it easily. What is the answer? 2400.
Yes, sir. 24.
So that number you can get it in just 1-2 seconds. Am I right or wrong? Just saw the number, do the calculation and get this number. So if you are getting this number very late, it means this method is not useful to you. So first ensure that you will get this number as soon as you watch the number. Okay. Now next part comes from here. Only little tricky. You have to remember this 39 you will have to add 60. Crosswise value. This 69, 39 plus 60 or 59 plus 6. That's it. This 49 plus 40 or this 39. Okay. चलो इसको add करो. 60 plus 39 is what? 99 and subtract it. So number is what? 230. This is done.
Sir, last method, tell me again.
Last I told you what is the original number. Take any one number.
Okay, 59.
59 I took. And now add any other new number. Next new number means what? 39 next new number is what? So 59 plus 40 is what? 99. Subtract it from the number multiplication. You will get that. Got it?
Sir, इस टाइप
You can
में
do the reverse as well. You can do the reverse as well. 39 plus 6. तो यहाँ भी आपको same ही आएंगे 99. Yes, tell me. Let's take one more example. The number is I'm going to take 89 and you are going to multiply 39. Now what you are going to do? Just saw the number and make it a multiple of 10. So this number is 90 and this number is 40. 9 4s are 36. So I have a ready value that is 36. Now what? 89 and plus 40. Add it and subtract from here.
129.
Subtract it from here. So what is the number?
347.
3471.
3471, which I can write down here. Get it? Now tell me it's easy or hard? It's very easy. And do you know that you will not find anywhere? I was just struggling when we are multiplying this kind of number and then I started it. I will show you actually how this number I got it. So I think 4, 5, 7 years ago, I was working on that number, this kind of number multiplication. So you can see that I added plus 1 plus 1. Okay, you can see that. So I make it a 90 and 40. And then I multiply 3600. So it will get 3600. And I calculated the original value. That is 3471. Okay, so this is the original value. But for this getting this answer, I use this vertical cross vertical method. I found that what is the difference between them? So difference between them is what? The number is 129. That is the exact. So I found how to get this 129. So I get it 90 and 39. This is the number. You can see that this 90 and this 39, you will get 129. And then I apply the same rule with multiple numbers and I found this method. Okay. So this is pure, you can say that development of my mind. Something I wanted to do it easily. Earlier, it's not converted like this. Actually, what I found earlier, that is something different. What I'm doing is 3600 minus 89 and 89, this 89 minus 39, and then one more minus. And then if you are going to do that, you will get 129. You get this? If you're going to add this all, then you may ask me, sir, why we are subtracting one more value? You may ask me, sir, why you are subtracting one more value? 89 is fine, 39 is fine, but why? So that is the reason. You will find it confusing. So what I did earlier, next time, I took one number original and one number new. That's it. and it solves the purpose. So instead of subtracting 39 in the second term and then minus 1, I added all these both values. So it will become 40. So 89, the older number, and 40 is the new number. And in that way, you got this method. Got it?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक और प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. 69 multiply with 29. Give me the answer quickly. Solve it. You can do it mentally.
2001.
70 into 30, that is 2100. 2100 minus what? 70 plus 29, that is 99. So 2001. Correct answer.
2001, sir.
70, 30, 2100 minus 39, 69 plus 30, that is 99. So 2001. Any problem? Anyone?